Here's a Hampton Bay Littleton from 2006. I got this out of a pre-demo 2 years ago. I put it on display down here in the shop, and this is the second to last fan that I had installed. There's no light bulb in the light. I just slapped a globe on it so that way it's not naked. But that being said, we'll start up on low. These older Littletons are childhood fans of mine. This style and the black motor ones. There's one that I'm really after, and I remember it saying on the side of the switch housing SMC, but it had the white motor as you see here and the white housing, but it had the separate light kit. It wasn't integrated with the switch housing. Of course, this was back in 2002, 2003. Then that fan died, and then it was replaced with a Hampton Bay Littleton that wasn't SMC branded. But going to medium. It's got a very, very faint wobble to it, which I think a lot of it has to do with the fact that it's on a ceiling joist versus not holding against anything above the motor housing. So it wobbles. Pretty decent air mover. These older ones are pretty good for air movement, but nothing too special. I think these are kind of sought after for what they are. Go high. Man, a lot of people trash these as far as shit talking them and whatnot, that they're not good and what have you. I mean, it's a decent fan. I mean, like I said, it's nothing too crazy. And I'll go off. Now this compared to the new ones are garbage. I will say that openly. These older ones are better than the newer ones. Are they like this? Or like this? Or like that? No. But they throw a decent amount of air for the quality they are. With that said, that's it, and until next time.